Okay, so we were talking about what does n plus 2 squared mean mathematically? So what does it mean, n plus 2 squared?
It means 2 more than the n you're using times 2 more than the n you're using.
Okay, so how could we say that in kind of like a math language?
Well, n times n plus 2 times 2.
Okay. So you think it's going to be n times n plus 2 times 2 and then minus 1. Because of that minus 1 there?
Well,
let's see if that works. What do you want to plug in for n?
let's plug in 1.
Okay, so we get 1 plus 2, which is?
It's 3. 3 squared is 9 minus 1 is 8.
Okay. Let's plug in 1 down here.
Well, 1, it would be 1 times 1 plus, it would be 4 minus 1 is 3.
So 1 plus 3 is?
And plus 3 is 4.
Okay, so those aren't equal.
No.
But let's go back to what does n plus 2 squared mean? What does 3 squared mean?
It means 3 times 3.
So what does n plus 2 squared
It means n plus 2 times n plus 2.
And then we have that minus 1 later on. So how do I multiply n plus 2 times n plus 2?
Well, you have an n squared plus 2n, then plus another 2n plus 4 minus 1. So it looks like it does relate. N squared 4n plus 3. Cool.
Hey. So what was wrong? What was going on, or what was going wrong when we said that n plus 2 squared was n squared plus 2 squared?
Well, we were multiplying n squared and then 2 squared.
Yeah.
So
Well, what were we missing?
we were missing the 4n.
And where did that 4n come from?
Came from the n plus 2 squared.
Okay. Where specifically in the n plus 2 squared did
Well,
it come
we
from?
had to multiply n. We had to multiply n times 2 and then plus n times 2. That's 2n. It's 2n. It's 4n.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
So did you like this lesson?
Yeah.
What was surprising about it?
That geometrically, you could see geometrically and algebraically that the things were the same.
They were the same. It's pretty neat.
Yeah.
I think there are some other ways that we could show how to rearrange the blocks too. But
Maybe.
this was pretty neat to me. It was a surprise to me that you saw the algebra connection from the blocks.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. All right. Very good job, sweetie. High five.